What's up everyone, Christian from RackNerd back with another quick tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how you can create an email account in cPanel. If you already have a domain and a hosting account with RackNerd, you can create a custom email address like your name at yourdomain.com right inside of your control panel. No extra fees, no third-party email providers needed. Whether you need a professional email for business or just want to personalize your inbox, this tutorial will help you get started fast. Before we begin, make sure that you have a RackNerd cPanel shared or reseller hosting account with your domain already connected. If you're still shopping for hosting, be sure to check out RackNerd.com for affordable and reliable cPanel hosting plans that include everything we're about to go over. So let's dive into it. First, log into your cPanel account. Once in, scroll down to the email section and click on the icon labeled email accounts. This is where you can manage all of your existing email addresses and create new ones. To create a new, just click on the create button. You'll be asked to choose a domain if you have more than one associated with your account. Then go ahead and enter your username you want. For example, you can use info, sales, or even your first name, whatever suits your needs. Next, set a secure password or use the password generator to create one. Make sure to save it somewhere safe. You'll need it to access your email later. You'll also see a section to allocate storage space for that email account. You can leave it as default or set a custom limit depending on how much space you want to allow. If you're on a RackNerd plan with generous or even unlimited email storage, you've got flexibility here. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click create. Just like that, your new email account is live. And that's really all there is to it. Your custom email account is now ready to use. You can access it via webmail or configure it on your favorite email client like Outlook or Apple Mail. It's a fast and easy way to level up your professional communication. If you're not using RackNerd's cPanel hosting yet, visit RackNerd.com to get started today. Our plans come loaded with features like custom email, webmail access, and full cPanel control, all for an affordable price. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this video helpful. With that said, talk soon.